Before there was light, before there was form, there was sound, but not the kind you hear with your ears. A vibration so profound, so fundamental, that it shaped the cosmos itself. Ancient wisdom tells us that the universe began not with silence, but with a single resonant frequency, Om, the primordial sound of creation. Across cultures and traditions, from the Vedic scriptures of India to the chants of Tibetan monks, sound has been revered as a force that weaves reality itself. The Upanishads describe Om as the seed of existence, the vibration from which all things emerge and into which all things dissolve. In the Christian and Hebrew traditions, creation begins with the word, an echo of the same principle. Could it be that sound is more than just an auditory phenomenon? Could it be the blueprint of reality itself? Modern science is beginning to catch up with what mystics have long known. Physicists now understand that at the smallest level, everything vibrates. Quantum field theory suggests that particles are not static, but ripples in invisible energy fields. String theory proposes that the fundamental building blocks of reality are tiny, vibrating strings of energy, like the plucked notes of a cosmic instrument. And then there's the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint hum left over from the Big Bang, a lingering echo of the universe's birth. But what if this primordial sound isn't just an abstract concept? What if it's something we can experience? Something that has the power to alter consciousness, heal the mind, and reconnect us with the essence of existence. In this journey, we'll explore the spiritual and scientific dimensions of primordial sound, uncovering its presence in ancient traditions and modern physics. We'll see how sound shapes reality, how it influences the brain, and how we can harness its power in our own lives. Because in the end, the universe may not just be made of atoms and particles, it may be made of sound. And if we listen closely, we might just hear the first vibration of existence itself. If this exploration resonates with you, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the mysteries of the cosmos. The oldest spiritual traditions agree, before anything existed, there was vibration. Not as a poetic idea, but as the first movement of creation itself. In the Vedic scriptures, Om is described as this original sound, the pulse of the universe before form, before time. Not just a symbol, but a resonance woven into everything. When chanted, Om isn't just heard, it's felt. It hums through the chest, vibrates the skull, and quiets the restless mind. The Mandukya Upanishad teaches that this sound holds all of existence, past, present, and future, within its frequency. The act of chanting Om is believed to align one's consciousness with the very rhythm of creation itself. It is a bridge between the material and the infinite. Tibetan monks take this even further. Their throat singing creates multiple tones at once, frequencies that seem to stretch beyond physical space. The effect isn't just auditory, it's transformative. Those who experience it describe a sensation of being pulled into something greater, as if the sound itself is dissolving the illusion of separation. And this idea is not confined to the East. In the Gospel of John, creation begins not with an explosion, but with the Word. The Jewish Kabbalah teaches that Hebrew letters are not just symbols, but vibrational codes unlocking different layers of reality. Sufi mystics chant divine names in rhythmic succession, repeating them until sound overtakes them completely, until there is no separation between the one chanting and the resonance itself. Why is this idea so universal? Because across traditions, sound is not just a tool, it is the fabric of existence itself. To the ancients, to speak, to chant, to resonate was to create. And even today, this knowledge remains alive. Primordial sound meditation, PSM, rooted in Vedic wisdom, uses personalized mantras based on the exact vibrational signature of an individual's birth. When repeated, these sounds don't just calm the mind, they pull consciousness into a deeper field of awareness, where thought fades and only vibration remains. The message is clear. Sound is not just a byproduct of reality, it is the force that shapes it. And when we truly listen, we might hear something extraordinary, the hum of existence itself, echoing through every moment, waiting to be felt. Sound is more than an auditory experience. It is a force that organizes and shapes reality. Modern physics reveals that everything, from the tiniest subatomic particles to the vast structure of galaxies, vibrates at a fundamental level. Quantum field theory suggests that particles are not solid objects but disturbances in invisible energy fields, rippling like waves in a vast cosmic ocean. In string theory, the smallest known components of reality are not particles but tiny, vibrating strings of energy. The frequency of their vibration determines the very nature of matter, just as different musical notes emerge from a plucked string. In this view, the universe is not a silent void, but an intricate symphony, each atom humming with its own unique resonance. The effects of sound on matter are visible in experiments with cymatics, a study of how sound frequencies shape physical patterns. When sound waves pass through a medium like sand, water, or metal, they create intricate geometric formations, proving that vibration has the power to give structure to formless material. These patterns, eerily similar to those found in sacred art and architecture, hint at an underlying order woven into existence itself. Even the echoes of the universe's birth hold evidence of primordial vibration. The cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint energy left over from the Big Bang, is often described as the first detectable sound of creation. Though it exists beyond the range of human hearing, it is a remnant of the universe's earliest oscillations, a frozen imprint of its primordial resonance. Beyond the grand scale of physics, sound exerts profound effects on the human brain and body. Mantra meditation, which involves the repetition of specific vibratory sounds like Om, has been shown to reduce stress, synchronize brainwave activity, and promote deep states of awareness. Studies using fMRI scans reveal that chanting Om activates regions of the brain associated with calmness and introspection, mirroring the effects of deep meditation. The idea that sound influences reality is not an abstract theory. It is embedded in the very mechanics of existence. Whether shaping galaxies, organizing matter, or altering consciousness, vibration is the invisible architect of form and experience. The human mind is shaped by rhythm. From the steady pulse of a heartbeat to the oscillations of brainwaves, existence itself moves in patterns of vibration. Primordial sound is not just an abstract concept, it is something that can be experienced, altering perception and deepening awareness. Chanting Om has measurable effects on the brain. Studies using functional MRI scans show that repeating this sound activates the vagus nerve, slowing the heart rate and shifting the nervous system into a relaxed state. Brainwave activity also synchronizes, moving into alpha and theta states, which are associated with deep meditation and heightened intuition. The result is a sense of calm, clarity, and detachment from everyday mental noise. Beyond Om, specific frequencies influence consciousness in profound ways. Binaural beats, created by playing two slightly different frequencies in each ear, have been shown to guide brain activity into targeted states, from deep focus to deep sleep. Resonance frequencies such as 432 Hz and 528 Hz are believed to enhance emotional well-being, with some research suggesting they can reduce anxiety and promote a sense of harmony. Sound has shaped spiritual architecture for millennia. Ancient temples and pyramids were designed with acoustics in mind, amplifying resonance to induce altered states of awareness. The King's Chamber in the Great Pyramid of Giza produces a frequency that aligns with human brainwave patterns. Monolithic structures across cultures, from Stonehenge to Mayan pyramids, share this sonic precision, suggesting a forgotten understanding of how sound influences perception. Modern meditation practices are reviving this ancient knowledge. Primordial sound meditation, PSM, assigns individuals a personal mantra, calculated based on their birth data, to align them with the vibrational field of the cosmos. Unlike generic affirmations, these sounds are designed to dissolve mental distractions, drawing the practitioner into a state of deep stillness where thought gives way to pure awareness. Sound is more than a sensory experience. It is a gateway to expanded states of consciousness, a force capable of shifting perception, dissolving boundaries, and realigning the mind with the fundamental rhythm of existence. To hear is to connect. To chant is to remember. The entire universe moves in rhythm. Every star, every cell, every thought, nothing is still. Beneath all form, there is vibration, a field of resonance shaping everything we know. This isn't something distant or mystical. It's happening right now, within and all around. For centuries, seekers have used sound to tune into this deeper reality, not as ritual but as a way to shift awareness, to step beyond the noise of the mind. Ancient chants, the hum of the cosmos, the frequencies that alter brainwaves, these are not coincidences, they are doorways. The way sound moves through space, the way it transforms consciousness, the way it lingers even in silence. There's something here, something real. Those who listen don't just hear it, they feel it. And once that connection is made, everything changes. This journey doesn't end, it expands. The more you listen, the more you understand. Subscribe now and keep exploring. There's more waiting. Let the next step unfold. Two paths appear before you now. Follow the resonance and see where it leads.